Big bird, big bird, big bird. No.
Never asked directions from a two-headed clown. Now, where is that bird?
I'm okay.
Okay. Did you hear that? Wow, look at those stilts. I wonder who's up there. Wait, I see yellow feathers. Is that you,
Big bird.
Hey,
Sounds like a cow. 3 yellow feathers? Or a horse? Or a rooster?
gee, I wonder which one it is, Rubber Ducky.
Ducky?
Are you a
Cow, horse, or rooster with yellow feathers? Either. I'm a duck doing animal impressions. That's a duck.
Very good.
Wow, what an act.
Well, I know it's tough, Rubber Ducky, but don't lose hope.
Big bird is tall and something small. Oh no. Oh no, I'm okay. A flying clown clue. He's tall and something small. That be Big Bird?
Well, no, it's
This is a giraffe.
that's something tall.
And something tall. Maybe that's him.
Well, no, that's just
It's a mouse.
that's something small and something small. Hey, now that
Car is small, but how
how could someone
one as tall as Big Bird fit in something so small? Hurry up and look in the car. You hear that?
that sounded
Like Big Bird. Really small in here. Gee, think Big Bird could be in there? I know, it's so teeny tiny and he's the biggest bird we know. He's so big, so really, really, really big. Ah! It's Big Bird. I was getting really squished in there. Found him. It's Big Bird. It's me. I know you any place. Your feet of yellow feathers. That beak up on your face. You're happy, Big Bird with la. You're the one. We found him. We found him. Ha. Our journey to Big Bird is done. Bye-bye. I like tiding, and I like seeking Big Bird. Fun. I like tiding, and I like seeking Big Bird.
squeaking. What's that? Oh, and squeaking. That's a game too. Hide and squeak. Okay.
Bert, this may seem like a ridiculous question, but what are you doing?
Oh, I'm teaching Bernice here how to play checkers. Your move, Bernice. Bernice, your move.
You're teaching a pigeon to play checkers?
Mm-hmm.
Why, that's amazing. That's the most incredible thing I've ever heard of.
Oh, Ernie, it's no big deal.
No big deal. Why a pigeon that can play checkers? That must be the smartest pigeon in the whole world.
Well, she's really not that smart, Ernie.
Not that smart, Bert. How can you say that?
Well, in the 10 games we've played, she's only beaten me